Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this Apple ID is not active in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type of a message or any issue that your Apple ID is not active, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So you just have to go back from here and you have to open your settings here, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. After that, go for a software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find pending software updates, try to update the software. Then go back from here, go for date and time and select or enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Then go back and here go for the option of transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. So if there will be any issue with your network, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, if you're still facing the same issue, tap on your Apple ID here. Just tap on sign in and security. Then tap on change password. Verify yourself using your Face ID or your iPhone passcode. And after that, you just have to change your iPhone passcode. If you are facing this type issue that's security delays, you just have to start your security delay and wait for almost 1 hour, and after that you have to retry to change your iPhone password or your Apple ID password, and after that your issue will be fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue, tap on the sign out option and here is a let's sign out but don't erase. Then tap on the continue option here, tap on continue again. Here you just have to enter your Apple ID password, and after entering your Apple ID password, your account will be completely signed out. After signing out, you have to re-sign into your Apple ID, and after doing that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.